What is an escrow account? Happy Monday. It is a beautiful day. It's sunny, it's warm, and it's June. That's all you need to enjoy in the day. If you're a dad, hopefully you had an awesome Father's Day yesterday and enjoyed the Father's Day. So let's talk about what is an escrow account. Nobody knows what this means. Everybody's always wondering what the heck is escrow? Can you please tell me about it? So look, I remember growing up for me, I would have my parents, they would talk about going to the bank or going to the village to pay taxes, property taxes. I remember when I had my first property, thought, wait, what, am I doing something wrong? I don't have to go to the bank to pay property taxes. I don't have to go to the village to pay property taxes. So why do they have to and I don't? The wrong reason is escrow. It's because I had an escrow account and they didn't. So typically, when you buy a property and you have a mortgage on it, you're going to have an escrow account. So you're going to pay your monthly mortgage every single month. A portion of that payment is going to go towards your loan, right? It's going to go towards paying off your loan. Another portion is going to go towards how much you owe in interest for borrowing that loan. And then there's going to be a portion that goes to your escrow account. Now, if you're confused about that, think of if you remember going back to the renting days, a lot of landlords have a security deposit account for you, right? So if you move in, they're going to keep a security deposit for you in case anything happens after you move out. They can dip into the security deposit to pay for any damages that you caused in the property. Think of escrow as a security deposit account for your house. Mortgages, lenders are going to want a security deposit or escrow account for your house in order to pay for insurance and taxes. So every single month when you're paying your mortgage payment, a little portion is going to go to your escrow account because your lender is saving up the security deposit account for you so that when taxes are due, when your homeowner's insurance is due, they can come into that escrow account, take the money out and pay it for you. So you don't have to go to the bank, you don't have to go to the village, you don't have to pay anything directly. Now, 99% of the time, your lender is going to require you to do this. If you're wondering why, in some states, if you don't pay your taxes, and let's say you're behind on your bills, you don't pay your taxes, you don't pay your lender, you don't pay your mortgage, a lot of times the state takes priority over your lender. So your lender wants to prevent that from happening and they want to get paid, so they're always going to take some money from you every single month so that they can pay the state directly. So if you fall behind in your bills, they're not caught with their pants down and not being able to collect from you because the state takes priority. So that's sort of what an escrow account is if you have a house and you're paying a mortgage payment every single month. Now, if you don't have a mortgage, hey, congrats, that's amazing. Congratulations on having a home, a property, and not having a mortgage payment because that is a huge relief. But if that's you, that means you are 100% responsible for paying taxes. So you're gonna have to go to the bank, you're gonna go to the village twice a year to pay property taxes on time. So nobody's gonna do it for you, nobody's gonna make sure you're doing it on time. So please celebrate not having a mortgage, but also don't forget to pay your property taxes on time because you don't want to get hit with penalties, fines, and all that good stuff. So that's what an escrow account is. That's a little sums up. Think escrow, security deposit. Escrow, security deposit account if you're a new homeowner or you're renting right now. Keep that in mind on what an escrow account is so that when somebody throws that around, you're just like, what in the world is escrow? Why do people keep using this word when I don't understand it? Hopefully that helps you understand it a little bit. So that is our tip for this Monday on Chris's Corner. Hopefully you enjoy the warm, sunny week. It's going to be beautiful. So if you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'll be sure to answer it next week on our Monday Live. Otherwise, make sure to leave me a comment if you have any other questions that you want us to answer. Hopefully you have an amazing week and you can enjoy the day.